Hey, everybody. Remember about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I guess, we actually did a workshop where we went into several different ways to build business right now, using everything from newsletters to sending stuff out to past clients, a lot of stuff to try and generate business now. I want to add one more using some of the stuff we created that you can share all over the place. So I'm going to share my screen and show you in just a couple of minutes what you can actually do to create some business and try and remind people you're in real estate. Now, keep in mind that 6 to 8% of your database is going to sell their home this year. In a normal market, it's more like 14%. But about 8 in 100 people is going to sell their property this year. And unfortunately, you're probably only going to list about 25 or 30% of your past clients in your sphere of influence. So we've got to make them aware, remind them constantly that we're in the business, even if we think they know. So over here, I've created a shared drive, which I'm sharing with all of you. Century 21 Country Lake ads, Century 21 Kime ads, generic clip art. Now, we also are going to talk about Canva over the next week. But let me just open up the Century 21 Kime ads for a minute. There are copies for each group. So, for example, some of the ads, I don't know if I can open them this way, open with preview. Um, in 2025, what are your real estate goals? Buy a new home, sell and upgrade, or sell and invest? Now, if you share something like this on your social media, you will get people to interact with you, and those people who interact with you are going to see your posts more often. But you can also create something that is based on a something to write about. So this time next month, you could be a homeowner, 5 questions your real estate agent wants you to ask when you're ready to put in an offer. Things like that. Are you making smart real estate goals on a scale of 1 to 10? How important is the location of a home to you? Let's start with this one as an example. Now, I may want to post this on social media, and I may want to create a blog post about this. So again, you can create a ChatGPT site for free. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT on a scale of 1 to 10. How important is the location of the home to you? So I'm going to put in, can you create, and ChatGPT is a free version, a Facebook post or social media post that explains, what was that at again? On a scale of 1 to 10, how important is the location of a home to you? Let's see what it comes up with. Let's be honest, your dream home isn't just about granite countertops and walk-through closets, although those are nice. Location can impact everything, your commute, your schools, resale value, and even your morning coffee run. A 10 might mean you prioritize being in the best school district. A 5 could mean you're flexible in location. A 1, well, if you're okay with the backyard that doubles as a bear crossing, I respect that. So where do you rank on your home buying must-have list? Drop your number in the comments. I'm going to copy all of this because this is actually pretty good. Now, I am going to do 2 things. Number one, I'm going to download this ad that we have created for you. Hopefully that downloaded. I'm going to go to Facebook for a second. Now I'm going to go to my business page in this case, or our company business page. And again, we have these both for Country Lakes and for Kime. And hopefully it'll come up quickly. All right. So I'm going to paste what they just came up with. And I might say, for more information, call Holly Weiss, or for more information, call whoever the agent is that's writing this. I'm going to add to this a photo. And that photo I'm going to use is the one I just downloaded. And this isn't one of the spectacular ones. But here we've got a post that we can post, and we can now share it. Now I can share that everywhere. I can even add a button if I wanted to have it come back to me as a phone call. So the ad is there. Lots of stuff. I can even boost the post for probably 30 bucks and have it go to other people. But that's a pretty good ad. Now let's take that same ad and let's try and turn it into, let's say, a blog post. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, that's great. Can you create a similar blog post for me? Now, as this is coming up, I'm going to go back to my Moxie Works. I'm going to click on my website. And I might want to share this to bring people to my website. Now, keep in mind, if you're sharing your website and your listings from your website on social media on a regular basis, when people click on it, they're going to see your site. It'll keep them coming back to yours and hopefully searching for houses there. Now, down here, you've got blog posts, add new post. I know I'm doing this kind of fast, but it's not hard. And I'm going to come back to what ChatGPT came up with. Very nice. So I'm going to take all of this, I'm going to copy it. Now, in the real world, what I should do is really read through this and make sure I don't want to change anything. So I might put at the bottom, for more information, call me. But again, this is going to be on our website. So copy this, post, and I might add a photo to it. I'm going to make this buyer advice. I might add a photo to it, set a featured image. And again, I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to upload that picture that we just created. That's not really the right size, but it'll work. It'll take a second, set as featured image, publish the blog post. Now that is on my blog. I think this is my personal blog instead of company one. But here is that blog post. And it's done. It looks pretty good. And now that's online, I can actually share this directly to Facebook as well. So again, some great stuff here, I hope. And again, this is under Central 21 Keim ads. Under this, we also have, like I said, Country Lake ads. Now we've got more than 500 images we've created for everybody. So these 500 plus images, you can put a different one every single day and keep posting stuff. Look through these, see what you like. Now, if you want to create something on your own and you know how to do that, I also have a lot of clip art. So we've added a lot of clip art to this so that you can actually add, create whatever you want out of the clip art that we have access to. So again, I hope this is helpful, and I would love to see more of you share more on a regular basis, because the more you post stuff like this, the more you remind them that you're in real estate, the more you've got something that people follow, the more likely they are to interact with you and to remember to call you when they're ready to buy and sell a property. That's all I've got for today. I hope that everybody's doing well, and I will talk to you later.